Today's a good day. It's really hot outside though, so I'm inside with the air conditioning now. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I was at a Dollar Tree that I've not been at in a long time. It's sort of in my area, but it's not one of the ones that I frequent all the time. And they actually had some brand new items that I have not seen anywhere around here. If you're new to my channel, you should know that Dollar Tree in our area is always behind the times. I just said this in the Dollar Tree haul that I did with my grandchildren, but I saw somebody recently haul a couple of these things and my Dollar Tree actually had them, or one of them actually had them. So we are going to jump into this. First, I am going to show you the things that they have on the norm. I went there looking for some fairy lights, and so I ended up being able to get a couple of packs of these. I already used one of them. I just picked these up. They have a ton of them right now. They come on a silver, a gold, or a copper wire, and they actually had a bunch of them in, so I picked up a couple of these. They are battery operated. I love them. They're great for craft projects. Oh, and I'm going to show you this. This Dollar Tree had an entire clearance little section. It was like boxes of stuff. Some of them you can dig through and some of it was actually laid out. And I am not kidding when I say that our Dollar Trees get stuff way late and after everybody else hauled them. I picked up these. These are Mother's Day plaques. It's June. It's almost the end of June. It is Mother's Day in May. So I ended up picking up two of these. They were clearance down. I think they were 25 cents a piece. So for 50 cents, I got two plaques for Mother's Day. One says, "Home is where your mother is. Happy Mother's Day." And the other one says, "Happy Mother's Day." And then it spells out the word mother, and it has a little saying for each letter. Crazy. I picked them up for next year. I think I'm going to hold on to them and give them to my grandkids to probably give to my mother, their great grandmother, for this. It's like, that was crazy. Then next I ended up picking up two of these little Voltive LED lights. These are the ones that flicker, and they say they have 120 hours of light. I have a project that I'm going to try to do. If you saw my other Dollar Tree haul, the one with my grandchildren, if you didn't, I will link it down below. I got these two large silver cylinders, so I'm thinking about doing something with those with lighting, and I think those will work perfectly for that, for outdoors. Then I picked up another one of these handy flame lighters. I was putting together my basket I just showed in my thrift haul that I did yesterday, I think it was, for you guys. The stuff that I put outdoors for our gazebo in our outdoors area. I just like to have a basket out there so I don't have to go in the house to get stuff. And so I went to go use my lighter to light some of our citronella candles, and it was out, so I picked up another one of those. I probably should have got two of them now that I think about it. Then next I ended up picking up these. These are adhesive diamond wrap sheets, and I'm really happy that I finally, after all these years, this is the very first time I have found these anywhere. I don't have a project to do with them, but they had two of them, so I grabbed them for my stash, and they're in the actual silver diamond. I never see these. We don't get them. I don't understand why. Dollar Tree, why? Send stuff to Southeast Michigan, like north of Detroit. North of Detroit, 45 minutes. We need the same stuff that everybody else gets. I know, I'm complaining, but come on. Then next, I went over to where the beauty stuff was, and they had a big sign that said new, and they had this Wet n Wild's Wild Shine, High Shine Finish nail polish, and this one's like a plum color. And so I picked up one of these, and then next to that, I don't know if these are new, but you guys know I love my blue nail polish. I don't really care for the one that's on my hand right now, but I'm going back to my bright blue nail polish. And so they had this one that has a little shine and glitter to it, and so I picked up one of those. I know the Wet n Wild one is brand new because it said Wet n Wild new on the sign, but the other one, they might have that all the time. I just don't normally look over there for nail polish. Then next, if you saw my $5 Goodwill challenge video, I had some people ask me where did I get these? Because I said most of that stuff was thrifted. Everything out there was thrifted except for these glasses. They're from the Dollar Tree. These are the little like wine glass ones, and they had the regular tumblers like this and then the short tumblers. So the tall ones and the short ones made with this kind of, I don't know, what is it, a hammered look to them. They're really nice. They're really sturdy. And I think they're dishwasher safe. Don't quote me on that. Make sure you check the tag on them when you get them, if you go to pick them up. Because I put this one in the dishwasher, came out perfectly fine. So I didn't check. I was like, it's $1. If they don't do well in the dishwasher, I didn't waste that much money. But I really like this green color. They came in red and blue. And I do believe like a hot fuchsia pink. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but I think they did. But I really like this. I only picked up 2 of them because I do all my glasses in 2s like that, so people know when they're in a couple, I've said it before, that those are their glasses. You don't have to wonder whose glasses they are. I'm probably going to go back and see if I can find some red ones and some pink ones that tall, but they only had the green ones when I picked those up. Then on to everything that I think is brand spanking new in the store. I've seen people either just recently haul them and said that it was new, or my stores never had them. So first I have this square reform. Do you guys, have you seen square reforms at the Dollar Tree? I hadn't seen them. I hadn't seen anybody haul them. I really hadn't seen anybody make anything with them. So I picked up one. They only had like 2 or 3. I probably should have got more than one, but I couldn't figure out what project I wanted to do with it. And I have a lot of round ones here and still one heart one left. So I picked it up, and I'm probably going to do it like this, like a diamond. And I'm got a project in mind to try to figure out for that. So I'll bring that to you guys if I do it. And then I found the little elephants, the white. I got a white one and a gold one. You know, the little animals that they had. They had horses. I think the other things are deer or antelope. I don't know. I don't really know what they are. But I only picked up the elephants. They came in white, gold, and black, all of the animals, and I didn't like the black, and I thought these 2 were cute. My aunt loves elephants, so I'll probably give one to her, and then I'll probably keep one. So yeah, I picked those up. And then next I picked up one of the @ signs. These came in white, gold, and silver. I picked up the silver one and I didn't like it, so I picked up the gold one. I'm going to put this in my beauty room on shelves if I ever get my shelves. My beauty room, office kind of girl cave area. And so I figured I can always paint the gold one if I don't like the gold too. It might be too shiny. It might not. But I picked up one of these. I had already looked at these to pick up one for my sister too. I think she got one. But they had and signs, the ampersand sign. They had those too. And I don't know if there was anything else there, but they came in the same colors if you're looking for that. And then on to the rest of the brand new stuff. I picked up, I don't normally show food on my channel, but I picked up these. They are Arizona nachos and cheese dip things with the chips. And they come in these little trays. As you can see, it's got the thing for the dip and everything. We, in our family room, do movie nights and stuff, and Chad wants to try to do a movie night out in the gazebo. We might. I don't know what's going to happen. But I thought these were really cool and really cute. For $1, the movie theater, the nachos and cheese, I think it's like $6, $7 or something like that for you to get. We are definitely those people that sneak our candy into the movie theater, and like, I carry a big bag. I was like, can I sneak this in the movie theater? The problem is the cheese is microwavable, and I would love to have my cheese hot for it. So I think I'll just have them at home and be seeing me on the news. Like, woman taken in for trying to sneak in nacho cheese into the movie theater. And yeah, we don't want to do that. Next, then, I ended up picking up these baskets. I got 3 of them. I like the print on the side. I think it's really pretty. I usually pick up the ones that have the circles, the holes. But the reason I ended up getting these, because they're a little bit smaller and stuff, is they come with the lids. So excited about that. You have no idea how excited I am about that. My pantry, I shouldn't even tell you, it's such a disaster that it looks like a crime scene in there. It's just, stuff is everywhere. Seriously, most people are like, girl, I couldn't even believe anything is a disaster at your house, my friends and stuff. you open my pantry and you're like, whoo, what happened? Did a bomb go off? I swear to goodness. So I'm trying to organize my pantry. So I ended up getting some of these. I really wish they came in white, but they didn't have any white ones, and the girl didn't know if they came in white there, but they had the red, so I picked that because I normally have red in my kitchen. But they also had gray and a like turquoise color. I don't know why they didn't have white. Maybe they did, and people just saw them and grabbed them all up. Then next, I ended up picking up these candle holders. I thought they were really cute, and they have this little like medallion thing on the front of them that says "Live, Laugh, Love" on it. And I picked up one that's kind of pinky, I don't know, wine color, and one that's like a gray blue lavender color. I picked this one up. I'm going to see if it goes in my half bath, and then this one I probably am going to give to my oldest daughter because she has this color in her half bath. So I thought those were really cute. I like the little charms on them. All the charms say the same thing. I didn't really look back in them. Maybe they had different sayings on them, but all the ones in the front where I picked ours up said the same thing. They also had one that had like a darker color at the bottom, like more of a smoky gray charcoal color. I don't know. I didn't like that one as much as those two. And then next I ended up picking up this. This is a plaque that has a little hanger on the top, as you can see, and it says keys, and then it has these little hooks that you can hang your keys on, and it's in black. They only had black ones, but literally these little hooks you can unscrew and take off and then spray paint the whole thing, or you could spray paint it with the hooks on and spray paint the hooks too if you want it, and make it white or any other color that you kind of want to make it. I thought it was really cool, and so I picked up one of these. I don't even know if I'm going to keep it. You can embellish it too, like put flowers and stuff, make it more fancy for your house. Okay, and then last I picked up this plaque, and this one is kind of like planks, and it has this little arrow detail, and it's distressed, and it says missing socks. It also has the little hook on the back. It's all wrapped in plastic, as you can see, and then it has these little clips that stick on it for your laundry room, so you can clip on the sock when you're missing a sock, so you know where it is, because we all know you get a missing sock and then you put the sock that you find in one spot to pair it, and then you can't find that sock either. So I thought this was really cute, and I bought it for Chad because I don't do laundry. If you're new here, you should know I don't do laundry. I've said it before. If I did laundry, we would be naked here at my house, and you know, society doesn't allow that in most places. So yeah, this was the last thing that I ended up picking up. So that is it for my quick Dollar Tree haul. I just figured I'd jump on and do this one for you guys. So if you were looking for any of these items, or if you find any of them interesting, you can get to your Dollar Tree and pick them up. Also, I want to remind you guys that I am doing a 3,000 subscriber giveaway here on my channel. If you haven't checked that out yet, I will link that video down below. I am at 3,600 subscribers right now, and I want to thank all of you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. And with that, if you're not a subscriber here yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us. We have a lot of fun here. I also want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my video. And also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.